Hello friends, welcome back to Manu Cooks. I'm Manu. In today's video, let's learn quick and easy tomato rice or Thakkali Sadam recipe. I'm sharing today no onion and no garlic version, which will be great for lunchbox, and it's a great bachelor's recipe too. Before we begin, as usual, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to watch my videos as soon as I upload them. Let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup raw rice or basmati rice and I have cooked it. This is cooked and cooled rice, so it is almost 5 cups of cooked rice. So the main ingredient for this recipe is non-sticky rice, as how you can see here. Rice should be separate and not sticking together to get the perfect grainy tomato rice as in hotels. Now let's keep the cooked rice aside and start with our tomato rice step-by-step tutorial. For this, take a kadai or a white pan and add 3 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. I'm adding peanut oil here. You can also use regular cooking oil if you don't have peanut oil. On medium flame, once the oil is hot, let's add mustard seeds. It's 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Allow them to crackle first. After that, let's add 1 tablespoon chana dal or kadale paruppu. Saute it for few seconds and then let's add half teaspoon jeera or cumin. Saute again. After few seconds, let's add split urad dal or ulund 1 teaspoon. Now let's add broken cashew nuts. This would be roughly 10 to 15 whole cashews broken into pieces. Saute it again and add few dry red chilies, after which I am adding handful of curry leaves along with that. Saute everything until all our nuts turn golden. The crunch from urad dal, chana dal and cashew adds a nice punch to this recipe, so let's not skip that. Once you see they are golden, let's add green chili. I have added 2 green chili here. You can add up to 5 green chilies if you want it to be spicy. Next to this, I am adding 1 medium-sized tomato which I have finely chopped it. Let's add this first so that it gets cooked in oil for a bit. Adding few tomato chunks will ensure that you don't get too many tomato peel when you eat the rice. Now to this, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder gives nice red color needed for our tomato rice. You can add your regular red chili powder instead of Kashmiri red chili powder, but remember to add according to your spice level. Now to this, our main ingredient, freshly pureed tomato. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomato and pureed it in a mixie jar. It should be roughly around 2 cups. Already we have added 1 chopped tomato and now the tomato puree. Tomato puree will enhance the texture and taste of this tomato rice to next level. Try this recipe the same way how I have shown here. I'm sure you're going to love this. Remember to adjust the quantity of tomato according to how sour your tomatoes are. I'm using normal Roma tomato here, which are not that sour. Let's keep cooking this until the raw smell from the tomatoes are gone and we see the oil floating on top. You can see almost all the water is evaporated right now. In this stage, add salt required for the rice and for the tomato base, followed by half of the coriander leaves that we have chopped. Reserve half to garnish finally. And now almost our tomato rice mix is ready. As we can see, oil on top and also it's thick right now. In this stage, add our cooked and cooled grainy rice. If you want, you can make this with leftover rice also, but make sure that the rice is perfectly cooked to this consistency. Otherwise, while mixing, rice might get mushy and it won't taste the same. Now once rice is added, slowly and gently mix the rice and the Thakkali Sadam mix by folding it. Don't hurry, just do it slowly so that we don't break the rice and we don't make it mushy. If you want, you can keep the flame low for a moment here and start mixing. So once rice is well mixed, let's allow this to be on flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then turn it off so that the flavors melt together. Finally, add the reserved chopped coriander on top and mix it. So this is my best recipe of no onion and no garlic Thakkali Sadam or tomato rice recipe, which is very quick to make, and you can see it is really yummy. You can make this when you don't have any veggies or when you're in no mood to cook an elaborate meal. This is great for kids' lunchbox as well. Have this with a boiled egg or appalam or curd raita and enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my next video. Until then, try this recipe and enjoy with family.